Hi, I've got an email from my workmate and I'm about to answer it. I have a template that is good to use, but I want to use a picture from a URL in it. I start editing my template and choose the place where my picture is going to be. Then I click the Insert Picture button and double-click Insert Picture from URL. I'm going to enter the picture address into this box. So I need a link. I copy this one, paste it here. I think my picture should be a bit smaller, so I enter the new width and height. Also, I want my workmate to open some post on LinkedIn when clicking on the picture, so I'll add a link to this post. Next, I add the link title. And I click OK. Now, you can see a fillable field in my template that will be replaced with the picture in my email message. I'll click Save and insert my template into an email. I hover the cursor over the picture and I see the link title. Let me check if the link to the post works. I hold the Ctrl key on the keyboard and click on the picture at the same time. Great! Here's the post I want my workmate to see. I can send my email now. In case a picture is on my OneDrive, I can use it in my template too. No problem here. I've already started editing my template and I need the picture right here. Now I click the Insert Picture button, then double-click Insert Picture from OneDrive. I choose the picture I want to use for my email, double-click it, and the dialog window shows up. I'll change the size of the picture because the original one is bigger than I need. I want my workmate to go to a web page when clicking on the picture, so I'll include a link and its title. I click OK, and now I see that a fillable field is in my template. I'll save my template and then click Insert. Let's double check. I have the picture, the link title, and a link that works properly. Amazing! One more thing. What if I want to use my profile photo from Azure Active Directory? Let me show you how easy it is. This is the place where my photo will be, and I click the Insert Picture button. Here, I'll select Insert Photo from Azure Active Directory. I think my photo will be too big for my email, so let me make it a bit smaller. I don't think that I need a link and its title, so I'll just skip it. And I click OK. A fillable field is in my template, and now I can save the changes. Let's see what my email will look like after I click Insert. This is my photo. Well, just a sample picture in this case. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy your shared email templates.